What is up, guys? Mr. Rasmussen here, otherwise known as the Woodbender, because I'm the master of all the shop elements. And today I am continuing my pen series by making pen number 11 out of 27. The 27 pens are all rare or exotic wood species, and so far the collection is coming along really nicely. I'm excited to add today's pen to the collection because today's pen comes from South Africa and is called Kiaat. And just like my other videos, I will be ranking and reviewing this wood based off of 3 categories, while also giving it an R score. R is for Rasmussen, and that score just means where I rank it as my favorite among my other pens. The 3 categories are price, workability, and aesthetics. For price, Kiaat is reasonably affordable. Even though it's an imported wood species, the price is not too bad. For a board foot of Kiaat, you can expect to pay anywhere between $9 and $30 per board foot. For price, I give Kiaat a 5 out of 10. Moving on to workability, Kiaat really shined in this category. The wood is quite strong, but it is comparatively less dense than other woods of similar strength. Because of this, Kiaat, sometimes called African teak, was very easy to work with. Machining and turning this piece of wood was quick and enjoyable. For workability, I give Kiaat a 10 out of 10. And now for aesthetics. The grain and the pores of this wood are clearly seen, and I really like that. Honestly though, the color is a little bit boring to me. So for this pen, I introduced a new pen kit color. So the Kiaat pen will be sporting the new copper colored components. I think the color of the components do well complementing the natural color of the wood and help bring the aesthetic score up just a little bit. Overall for aesthetics, I give Kiaat a 4 out of 10. In conclusion, with the R score, I now have 11 pens, and I will be ranking African teak or Kiaat at number 11. Sorry, Kiaat, but I am ranking you at last place for now. There just wasn't enough unique or distinguishing features about this pen or this wood. I still love it though, and I love this collection, and the collection wouldn't be complete without it. People have been asking me if I'm going to be selling the pens. The answer to that question is a resounding no, not even this one. Because without it, my collection is not complete. This series is all about creating a collection of rare and exotic woods, and Kiaat definitely qualifies and has earned its place to be one of those pens, and I still love it no matter what. So with that, this episode is complete, so thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. Here's all the pen blanks I still need to turn, so like and follow along and let me know which one you think I should do next.